Welcome to our channel. What if I told you that fats are not your enemy? That they can actually transform your health, energy, and well-being? For years, fats have been demonized, blamed for weight gain, and clogged arteries. But the truth is far more complex. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of healthy fats and how they can revolutionize your diet. Part 1. Why fats have a bad reputation. For decades, fats have been seen as the villains of nutrition. Studies from the 1970s linked fat consumption to heart disease, and suddenly, low-fat diets became the norm. But something strange happened. Instead of getting healthier, people gained more weight, and metabolic diseases skyrocketed. Why? Because fats were replaced with sugar and processed foods. The real problem isn't all fats, but bad fats, especially trans fats and excessive saturated fats. Part 2. The different types of fats. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some are essential for your body. 1. Saturated fats. To consume in moderation. Found in butter, cheese, and fatty meats. They're not all bad, but excess can raise cholesterol levels. 2. Trans fats. To avoid completely. Found in processed foods, industrial pastries, and some margarines. These increase bad cholesterol and heart disease risk. 3. Unsaturated fats, your best allies, found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. These fats protect your heart, brain, and overall health. Part 3. The secrets of healthy fats. Healthy fats are not just an energy source. They play a crucial role in every part of your body. Here's why you need them. 1. Boost your brain and focus. Your brain is nearly 60% fat. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, are essential for memory, focus, and preventing cognitive decline. Not a fan of fish? No worries, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds are great alternatives. 2. Protect your heart and lower cholesterol. Unsaturated fats, especially those in olive oil and avocados, help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Walnuts and almonds are also rich in plant sterols, which help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. 3. Stabilize energy and control cravings. Unlike sugars that cause energy spikes and crashes, healthy fats provide a stable, long-lasting fuel source. Coconut oil, for example, contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which convert quickly into energy. 4. Promote fat loss and metabolism. Yes, eating fat can help you burn fat. Healthy fats regulate appetite and boost metabolism. Omega-3s in fish actually help reduce abdominal fat by improving insulin sensitivity. 5. Enhance skin health and immunity. Healthy fats keep your skin hydrated, reduce inflammation, and slow down aging. They also strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight infections and stay resilient. 6. Support hormonal balance. Fats are essential for hormone production. Without them, your body can't regulate stress, sleep, or even metabolism properly. Foods like eggs, almonds, and fatty fish support hormonal health, keeping your body in balance. Part 4. How to add healthy fats to your diet. Incorporating healthy fats into your meals is easy. Drizzle olive oil over salads and vegetables. Snack on almonds or walnuts instead of processed snacks. Blend avocado into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich texture. Replace margarine with coconut oil or high-quality butter. Eat fatty fish like salmon or sardines at least twice a week. Part 5. Myths freeze reality. Let's debunk some common myths. Eating fat makes you fat? False. Healthy fats help you burn stored fat. All fats are bad? No. Only trans fats and excessive saturated fats are harmful. You don't need fat in your diet? Wrong. Your body needs fats to function properly. Conclusion. So are you ready to embrace healthy fats? They fuel your brain, protect your heart, boost your energy, improve your skin, and even help you lose weight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite source of healthy fats? See you soon. Thanks for watching.